Hello everyone, I heartily welcome you all to the Success Square channel. Today we will be discussing the prelims paper of West Bengal Judicial Service Examination 2020. So let us discuss that. Number 1. I am as strong as him. Change the adjective into the comparative degree without changing the meaning. He is not stronger than me will be the answer. Number 2. Fill in with the right word. As dash as a mule. As obstinate as a mule. Number 3. Fill in with the suitable word. He is a better mechanic than clerk. Add a suitable suffix to gift to form a new word. What will be the answer of it? Ed. Gifted. Number 5. Choose the correct alternative. I don't think I dash be able to go. Should. I don't think I should be able to go. Number 6. Fill in with the suitable prepositions. Faith bears up a man. Number 7. He is sure to work up the mob. Number 8. The policy of extending a country's empire is called imperialism. Number 9. Select a suitable adverb of degree to fill up the blank. I can do the sums dash quickly. I can do the sums quickly. Number 10. Cheer up, mother. I'll go and get work somewhere, said Jack. What will be the answer when you are given the change the mode of narration? Entreating his mother to cheer up, Jack promised to go and get work somewhere. Number 11. Choose the correct verb in agreement with the subject. The horse and the coach has arrived. Number 12. They were building a house. Choose the correct passive form of the given sentence. What will be the answer of this? So the answer will be a house was being built by them. Number 13. Write a single word for the phrase. The act of killing one's brother is known as fratricide. The synonym of the word impudence is, what will be the synonyms? It would be insolence. Number 15. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. Malacca is the oldest town in Malaysia. What will be the answer of this question? It would be no other town in Malaysia is as old as Malacca. Pick out the verb clause in the given sentence. You may sit wherever you like. Wherever you like is the adverb clause. Number 17. The word hypochondria means the fear of becoming ill. Number 18. Fill in with the suitable form of verb. I will phone you when he dash back, when he comes back. 19. Choose the right conjunction to fill in the blank. Many things have happened dash I left the school. Since I left the school. Their approach to the problem was professional. Replace the bold word with a suitable antonym. So what will be the antonym of the word professional? The answer will be number C, amateurish. Number 21. Fill in with the suitable preposition. Dash consequences of his illness, he could not finish his work. So the answer will be in consequence of his illness, he could not finish his work. Oligopoly means a state of limited market competition. Fill up the blank with right comparison. As silent as the grave. Fill in with the suitable conjunction. Number 24, he behaved dash brave man should do. Just as brave man should do. Number 25, combine into a single simple sentence. He jumped up, he ran away. The answer will be jumping up, he ran away. Now, Question number 26. Choose the word that is most closely opposite in meaning to oppressive. The answer will be liberating. The word homonym means two words having similar pronunciation but different meaning. If only I were young again, transform into an assertive sentence. The answer will be I wish I were young again. Barking up the wrong tree means making a wrong choice. The idiom when pigs fly means something that will never happen. 31. Which country holds the BRICS presidency in 2020? The answer will be Russia. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs had announced that around 9 tribal fighters museums are to be established by the year 2022. Which book was written by Salman? The answer will be Midnight Children. 34. Find the missing term. The answer over here will be once. Which month in the year 2020 will be observed as Nutrition Month as announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The answer will be September. 36. Find the missing number in the series. So here the answer will be number A. Find the missing term. 37 answer would be 25. Question number 38. The answer would be Kerala. Folk dance Kerala. 39. Who was the political guru of Gandhi ji? The answer will be G.K. Gokhale. Which scientist first introduced the concept of inertia? The answer would be the number B. Government of West Bengal launches two new schemes, Snehar Koresh and Prochesta, on the date would be the 5th May 2020. Silicon Valley of India is located in Bangalore. From which drama the following dialogue is quoted? To be or not to be? That is the question. The answer would be Hamlet. Find the missing number. The answer of 44 would be 481. Find out the odd one. The answer would be whale. 47. The former Indian Test opening batsman who recently expired due to COVID-19 was Chetan Chauhan. 48. Find the missing term. The answer would be the sleep. 49. The first country in the world to register a COVID-19 vaccine is Russia. Question number 50. Who wrote White Tiger? The answer would be the Arvind Adiga. Late Pranab Mukherjee was the 45th. The answer would be the 13th president of India. That's it. In next part, we will discuss from 51 till the end, 51 till 100 or so on. Thank you.